Welcome to Goyum. 60 ton per day multi-seed oil extraction plant with Soya Extruder installed in Ethiopia by Goyum. Designed with a customized plant layout to match site-specific space and operational requirements, the plant efficiently processes multiple oilseeds to produce high-quality crude oil through a well-engineered extraction process. With a flexible plant design, the system handles varying seed qualities while maintaining smooth, reliable, day-to-day production. The integrated Goyum soya extrusion system enhances oil recovery, improves process efficiency, and ensures optimum preparation of soybean feedstock. Designed with robust construction, reliable and energy-efficient systems, the plant ensures stable operation, high oil recovery, and consistent performance. This 60 tons per day multi-seed oil extraction plant, executed on a complete turnkey basis, reflects Goyum's proven expertise in oil extraction technology. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.